so they can see.
That's from your
Hold it right up
daddy.
here. Look at there. That's a nice dragon.
Even, I have to think of a name.
He said that he was getting that for you.
Thanks. Okay, I might need help.
Think so?
Move right the toys, please.
Scoot them back for you. There you go. You've got room.
Hey,
This one's really big.
Rory, did you want to wait to do that when you talk to Daddy?
Yes,
Those are
I
from
will
Daddy?
talk to
Do
Daddy.
you want to wait and open those so that he can watch you open them? Okay. I'm making a video. I'll send it to him too. She doesn't want to wait. I thought they were all from you guys. Yeah. Because they didn't come with return addresses. They just showed up.
Oh, I'm glad we get to see this.
Letter brought this to me. Thank you, too.
That's from your daddy.
Thank you, Daddy. Let me turn. Oh, it even has me.
It does. It has a Jessie in there. It sure does.
Woo, woo. Some of. Oh, my favorite movie in there.
Lion King 2. Very nice.
That daddy.
Where would I put this toy?
Well, I can open it for you. Do you want to open your other, or do you want to wait?
Okay, I'll open this one. This one is not good. Okay, I really need help.
I think you can pull the papers off.
Holy cats, that's a big bag.
Yes, and it looks like it's upside down. So let's keep turning. There you go. Keep turning. Whoa!
Wow, you are so strong.
Whew. That's a lot of work. Here, pop that tape. Can you tell what it is?
Yes, I can.
Can you tell what it is? Oop, just stuck my arm in front of the other camera. It's a great big castle. What do you think about your great big castle?
I think one piece looks like from Rapunzel.
It does a little bit.
Looks like what?
The castle from Rapunzel.
Yeah.
One little
They had got you the dragon to go with it and all those people.
Mm-hmm.
You're going to have a great time with that.
Oh, hold on. Let's see what we can do. Can you pull this piece out?
Oh, I can't.
Use 2 hands. There. Oh, wow.
That one's big.
Can I help you with it?
Definitely, yes, only this.
Big old castle. And it's all solid wood. That's very nice. It'll probably last a long time.
Are you tired?
Alright, I'll pick this up if you'll push the box out of the way.
Oh,
Push the box.
Oh, that is gorgeous.
A very big castle.
Wow.
It says that it folds, that it opens up. That's neat.
I probably want to make this box because it has a piece for a dragon to live in.
Whoa.
Hold on.
That's
Why is it on?
There we go. Look, it opens up, Aurora.
Ooh.
So it swings open and closed.
Where's my snake?
It's in your chair, right under your book.
I'm going
And look right here where it's got a door that opens. You can keep your dragon in there.
Yay.
It's a good place for him to live.
I'm going to be right back.
Whoop, and she's gone.